Hello, this is Malachi, and we'll be playing Phoenix Simulator by Turbo Rocket Games. I've not played this game in my life before. Mickey Sans has. It's the only Turbo Rocket Games game he has played. Oops. Oh, foxes! Pet them. They're so cute. Let's start my quests. Oh, we better go fast! Let's get him! The reason why the music is turned off is because I do not want a copyright. Let's get him! Oh. That was quick. Let's go. Let's teleport to home. And they have bosses in this game. Those are the jungle. That's one of the jungle animals in dogs in and cats in. Oh, where am I? This is so awesome. Oh my goodness. Maybe we could find horses whenever we can, because I don't see one. This is a bit difficult, because you usually can't find animals. I should find a horse. I've got to get it, so my quest is completed. Whoa! I'm restarting because due to not finding any. Let's try this one. Where is a horse? This just seems hard. This seems like this is a bit hard. Because I can't find any horses. I've got to have one. Find one. Let's just end the video. Oh, no, I'm not going to end the video because there's horses there. Just joking. Let's get him. Good level. No, no! I do not want copyright! I wasn't talking to you, Dad. Sorry about that. But those adverts are so annoying and mean. There's this. Let's get him. I shouldn't end the video. Right, guys. Oh, I feel nice.